In today's fast-paced world, our health often takes a backseat. But there's a silent epidemic affecting millions globally, known as metabolic syndrome. In fact, every 2 out of 3 people in Mumbai over the age of 30 have metabolic syndrome, and chances are, you might be one of them. Metabolic syndrome is a cluster of interconnected conditions that collectively heighten your risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Central to this syndrome are insulin resistance, hypertension, and high cholesterol levels. However, recent research has uncovered additional complexities. It also involves a reduction in skeletal muscle mass, systemic inflammation, and an elevated risk of degenerative joint diseases such as knee arthritis.
You are watching a special feature on physio-led strength training by Positive Physiotherapy. Let's understand how metabolic syndrome develops and discover effective strategies to overcome it.
The development of metabolic syndrome begins with either excess calorie intake or reduced physical activity, leading to an excess of glucose beyond what is needed for daily activities. This surplus glucose is stored in the liver as liver glycogen or in muscles as muscle glycogen, with nearly 75% of this storage occurring in skeletal muscles. Think of skeletal muscles as sponges soaking up extra glucose. However, as we age beyond 30, we start losing skeletal muscle mass and, consequently, our capacity to store glucose diminishes. Once the storage capacity of the liver and skeletal muscles is exceeded, the excess glucose is converted into fats through a process called lipogenesis and is stored as visceral fat around the belly and hips. This visceral fat is more dangerous than we previously thought. Recent research has shown that visceral fat releases substances like adipokinase and cytokines, which trigger processes leading to insulin resistance and eventually diabetes. Insulin resistance makes it increasingly difficult for the body to utilize stored fats, a concept known as poor metabolic flexibility. Moreover, insulin is a growth-promoting hormone, linking obesity to the development of various cancers. In fact, obesity is one of the leading causes of cancer globally. The adipokinase and cytokines from visceral fat create an inflammatory environment in the body, increasing the risk of degenerative arthritis. These same chemicals disrupt cholesterol metabolism, leading to elevated cholesterol levels and influencing the sympathetic nervous system, resulting in high blood pressure or hypertension. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Metabolic syndrome, often referred to as a lifestyle disease due to poor eating habits, lack of physical activity, and deteriorating muscle health, contributes to a range of other health issues, including fatty liver disease, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and sleep apnea. Now that we understand the extensive impact of metabolic syndrome, let's explore precise, evidence-based strategies to combat it. In episode 2, we'll delve into the latest research in exercise science to tackle metabolic syndrome effectively.